Alright, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. We're down here in Eastport. You can check it out. We're at the groom terminal, right back there. I'm kidding. That's not the groom terminal. The groom does have a stop down here in Eastport. In this video, we're going to fly over Oak Hollow. We're going to fly over LaGrange. We're also going to fly over Merritt Field. We're going to fly over Long Prairie. Let's go down here to Lucky Goat and get a coffee. Alright, here we are coming back from the Lucky Goat. I do approve of their coffee. I also do like the coffee in the sales center. So either one of them is really good. So come on down to Eastport, eat some coffee, and check out the music here in the evenings. Hey, I did want to let you know, I did get some information. Man, it's amazing what you hear when you just talk to people. They just want to tell you stuff. But in my last video, I did say it, that on, what is it, over the hill? I mean, on top, yeah, on top, no, top of the hill, no, on top of the world. On top of the world is going to be built out by the end of 2026. They have no more land to develop. So all their houses will be built in 2026. So that means that there'll be a lot more villagers down here to buy, and a lot more contractors come down here and build. Like, they can build any faster down here in the villages. Man, just wait till all those contractors come down here and start building. I do want to let y'all know that. Prepare yourselves. There could be a lot more villagers coming down here at the end of 2026. Now let's go check out this video. Welcome to the village of Oak Hollow. Oak Hollow goes north of Craig Court and south of Craig Court. I had a subscriber reach out to me and ask if I could film Peat Path. So we are filming Peat Path. I know several of the villagers that live on Peat Path here, and I do know that these houses were finished at the end of 2025, and where they were moved in, they have been doing a very good job upgrading their brand new homes. And I do say that when you buy a new home down here in the villages, it is like a brand new fixer-upper. Because when you buy a new home in the villages, you have to do the landscaping. Well, you don't have to, but you usually do the landscaping. You'll do the driveway. You'll do interior upgrades. You'll add lights. You know, you'll decorate in your house. You didn't have the decorations before. Like I said, this is like a brand new fixer-upper. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. If you want to see something particular in my next video, please drop a comment. Check out that house there. They're getting a new pool put in. A lot of these houses down here on Peat Path and Oak Hollow, you can see that they have done a lot of landscaping down through here. A lot of these houses are designer and premier homes down Peat Path. And we turn west here towards the lake over by the Woodlands Championship Golf Course. And we will end the view of Peat Path here. Okay, now we are south of Craig Court, and we are still in the village of Oak Hollow. And we're going to pan to the west here, or to the south looking west. You can see all the verandas down through there, all the design and premier homes. You can see Central Lake coming into view, and you have Club Fed on top of the screen. And we're going to check out the $1 Million Row after we go through the village of LaGrange. Alright, here we are at $1 Million Row, checking them out on this side. And I do know that people have moved in some of the houses here along the lake. Congratulations. We're going to follow this red and black golf cart down LaGrange Loop. You can see there are a few of the contractors working on some of the houses down through here. But you won't really see the trades working on the weekends. The electricians, the plumbers, the crane operators. You usually don't see those out here on the weekend. You can see we're facing south. You can see the village of Lakeview on the other side of the lake. You can see Eastport, Eastport Hotel, Sunset Island, the Olympia Rec Center. Man, it's a nice view. And be able to hear music every night. That's really cool. I mean, just sitting on your lanai, listening to music, drinking a cocktail. Hey, or go down here to the LaGrange pool down there at the rec center and listen to music. All right, here's this area there. Everybody wants to know what it is. It's like hieroglyphics down there at the bottom, doesn't it? All right, now we're going to go down Sack Rider Path because it is funny to say. You can see Loden Court. You can see it is a very sunny day. It is a nice, like 78 degrees. Had a nice breeze blowing today. You had a couple clouds here and there. This is Saturday, May 16th, about 9 o'clock in the morning. So it is a very beautiful day. And it was a very nice time to be in LaGrange. Let's go across and see the village of Lakeview. You can see we are starting on the south side of the village of Lakeview. And we are going to fly up towards Central Lake. We're going to fly along the Bel Air Executive Golf Course, which is on the right side of the screen. And you can see that golf course is in very good shape. And check out that driving range. That grass over at the driving range. It's very nice. They done a good job. And they should. It's at Eastport. A lot of eyes are looking at it. You can see the village of LaGrange across the lake there. Alright, we're going to come down here to the lake. And we're going to move west and fly back south. Alright, we're going to fly up Mirror Way. We're going to check out the verandas and the villas up here in the corner. Those are going to be highly sought after because they are so close to the village of Eastport. Eastport Town Square. You know, a lot of investors are going to buy these and rent them out. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. I mean, that's a lot of villas down through there. And you got the verandas on the other side. And they're so close to the town square of Eastport. And we cannot fly across Marsh Bend, so we will stop here. We'll pan a little bit to the east, checking out everything, getting everybody a good look at these houses that are going to be for sale soon. At the village of Lakeview. A very nice village. And right there next to Eastport. Welcome to the village of Long Prairie. What I like driving down Marsh Bend Trail here is when you're coming down through here and you see that big building, that Mustang Rec Center. It's a very big building. It's pretty cool to see. And it does look like a big old barn. Let's check it out. All right, this is the Long Prairie Postal and Rec Center. And man, I thought they would be having grass down there, but probably not, because we're not getting much rain and they don't want to water it. So, which I totally understand. But we're going to fly up Bush Boulevard here and follow along and check out the progress. But check out the parking lots. They have the parking lots already striped for the Street of Dreams. That's pretty cool. But they don't have any houses built for the Street of Dreams yet. So the people in Well Point, you also gotta wait. You can see the Putnam Rec Center, still not built. Look at the golf course. It seems like it has greened up since the last time we flew across here last week. I mean, it's understandable on the tee boxes, you know, because they get played a lot, hit a lot with the golf clubs. So they do have the brown spots. But the fairways and the roughs were pretty green. You can see the Mustang Rec Center. Down south there, and all that property, man, you know, all those people are going to be wanting to move into over the hill. Now they're not going to be able to. They want to retire to the villages, or retire to Florida. They can move into the villages right down there, play golf for free the rest of their lives, as long as you live in the villages. You can see all the cottage homes that are being built down through there, and some villas. Some of the designer premier homes have started down in Long Prairie. The Village of Merritt Field. If you watched my video last week, the 360 of Merritt Field, here is just a normal 2D view of Merritt Field, and you can see Bob Run down there that we flew over in the 360. We're going to fly south down there and check that out. So here we are. You can see that these golf courses are not ready to open yet. You can see that the tees and the greens are not sodded. They don't have any grass in them yet. So we do have a little bit of wait. We have to wait for these golf courses to grow. So I probably say in the fall, just in time for the snowbirds to return, that these two golf courses will be open. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.